All right, guys, now you're going to show me what you know. But first, we're going to read the page together. So we're going to start up here at the heading, and the heading says geography. Geography is the study of Earth. So we must be learning about how Asia, about the different landforms and the different features that Asia builds up on our Earth. Asia has many different landforms. Oh, look, this word's in bold. That must mean it's important. The Himalayas are found to the north of India and Nepal. They are the highest mountains on Earth. Mount Everest is the world's highest mountain. It stands 29,035 feet tall. Another way of saying 29,035 feet tall is 8,850 meters. Look down here, we have a caption. I bet you this caption talks about this mountain over here. Many climbers visit the Himalayas every year. And then right down here, we have ourselves a map, and the map has this key down here that tells us about how many miles that little space is, and it shows you the different landforms that are around Asia. So as you guys can see, our different text features have letters next to them. This is B, D, A, C. I'm going to ask you all to pause this video right now. Before you pause, listen to the directions. You will number 1, 2, 3, 4 on your paper. Now everybody, please pause this video and write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! You wrote the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 on your paper. I need everybody to look at our paper over here. On number 1, you are going to find the letter that is closest to the map. Look at the paper, find the map, and write the letter that it is closest to on number 1. Remember, number 1 is the map. What letter is next to the map? If you need to pause the video at any time, go ahead and do so, friends. Now for number 2. Number 2 is the heading. On number 2, you're going to put the letter that is closest to the heading on the page. Which letter is closest to the heading? If you need to pause the video, you may pause the video. Now number 3. Find the word that is in bold. Remember, that word is very important. When a word is important, the author puts the word in bold. Next to number 3, I need you to write the letter that is next to the word that is in bold. Remember, if you need to pause the video, you can pause the video. Lastly, you will find the caption and write the letter that is next to the caption next to number 4. Find the caption, find the letter next to the caption, and write that next to number 4. All right, friends, you did a fantastic job. I can't wait to see what you know, what you showed me that you know. Please have your parents or yourself take a picture of your numbers 1 through 4 with the correct letters next to them and send it to Miss Dunn. You can have them text it to me, email it to me, or you can just upload it to Edsby in a message for me to see. I can't wait to work with you guys again. That was so much fun. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn more about, please message me and let me know, and I'll get right back on to working on that for you. Thanks, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope you learned a lot about text features today.